ColorNatural. Brand ECR4Kids. Product dimensions 12.5D x 12.25W x 24.25H. MaterialWood. Room TypeGame recreation room, classroom. Frame material rubberwood, wood, nylon. Storage solution. 2-pack of child-sized 3-rung ladderback chairs with built-in storage shelf for books, games, and supplies. Pairs with your child's favorite table. Supports posture. 3-rung back support helps maintain proper posture and keeps kids comfortable through seated activities. Sustainable rubberwood. Constructed from sustainably harvested, high-quality rubberwood with a tough, scratch-resistant, easy-to-clean lacquer finish. Certified safe. Rated GREENGUARD, Gold, for low VOCs, CPSIA compliant and TSCA Title V compliant. Product dimensions. Each chair measures 12.25 L x 12.5, W x 24.25, H. Interior shelf dimensions are 10.4, L x 8.25, W. Chairs come fully assembled and ready to use.